Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 18th, 2014, and U.S. stock market is closed. Dow Jones Industrial Average took off today and closed up over 100 points. It looked like a really good rally. I have some reservations I'll explain to you on the charts, but regardless, you know, we had less than a couple thousand dollars in open trade equity. We were positive, but not by a whole lot, and we had a fair amount of positions. You know, you like to have a good rally when you're coming in with all those positions, and we did pretty well today. We ended up closing out nearly $7,000. So, you know, we went from, you know, $1,500 or so to almost $7,000 in closed out trades. So that was pretty good. That was the best part of today, and the majority of the trades we closed out were in fact positive. So it looked real good. We didn't have anything that was really bad. The thing that I'm a little bit nervous about is that this rally, we're definitely at all-time record highs with the Dow Jones Industrial Average, but it looks to me so toppy where it is, and we are actually holding negative $2,400 going into tomorrow. And you know, it was mostly one stock that caused our problem, and that was JRJC. And you know, before I get too mad about JRJC, I gotta stop and remember that we made over $30,000 in JRJC just a couple of weeks ago. So we'll just have to see how it goes. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm just a little bit nervous. Sometimes I get more nervous when the market goes up than when it's going down. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see we'll call this the Yellen bull spike down here that took place yesterday, and I think I told you our open trade sunk to almost negative $8,000 there, but it came back, and we did end up closing positive. And then we come into today, and we didn't get stopped out in anything, and you know, with the overall market moving up like this, we definitely did pretty well. But here's the thing. Okay, we're definitely through this resistance area now. No question about we went through it, but I'm a little disturbed that I don't know. To me, this chart looks like, you know, if somebody hiccups, this thing's gonna just fall out of bed from here. And maybe it's my paranoia, but I would have, even though the Dow went up 108 points or 109 points, it still looks very toppy to me, and I'm not sure if I like buying up here, you know. And we closed out almost $7,000, but you know, we have days where we make $20,000, $30,000, and they aren't when we're buying up here. So again, I'm almost hoping this thing comes back down and gives us a chance to buy at somewhat lower prices, but we play the system. But when we did buy up here, you know, we are showing a small negative. So I don't know, we'll just have to see. I'm glad to see it up there. It's never been that high before in the entire history of the stock market. I'll show you some of the charts we have here. First, I'll show you that. Let's see, where am I? I am looking for now. Oh dear, I'm all mixed up here. Let's look at. This was a good one in Adept Technology. and we had bought that yesterday, and it just you know, it closed marginally positive yesterday, but had a nice gap today, and we got out of here and we took $3,000 out of Depth Technology. So that was one of our best trades that we had. I'll show you though here. This was the bad one. This is JRJC, and again, keeping in mind we made $30,000 on JRJC a few weeks ago. We got into this thing today. It looked real strong, and then it just peters out and goes against us. And we're holding over $3,000 negative open trade equity in JRJC, and that is why we're negative on our open trade equity. And this market, you know, you make a lot of money when it's going in your favor. You lose quite a bit when it's not. But we'll just hope that does a little bit better. And finally, I'll show you one more that was pretty good here. This was in ISIS pharmacology, and you know, this has just been really hot stock recently, and we got into this yesterday. It just kept going, and we're holding a couple $1,000s in ISIS. So anyway, hey, we had a good day today. I'm just nervous, you know. I don't know what to make of this creeping Dow Jones Industrial Average, and I hope it keeps creeping up. That's all I can say. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.